morning, guys. It's not that early any longer, but I don't know, it's around 8, I think. But the tour starts at 2 in the night, so freaking early again. Again a night on a bus, but now we are on a trip, like a 2-day, 1-night trip to the Colca Canyon. And we arrived on the lookout to see the Condor and the canyon from the top. And it's the third biggest canyon in the world. The second one is also in Peru, but the biggest one is in China. And the Colca Canyon is also twice as high than the Grand Canyon, so that's super cool. And yeah, hopefully we see the Condor. So we start hiking. We are already on the way. There's some rocks in the way. There's Colombine. So yeah, they told us around, I don't know, what was it? 15 kilometers today? Around 15 kilometers. And the first 8 to the first stop to have lunch. And that's the view we have from the side. I know it's against the sun, but it's beautiful. So I think that's the oasis. We're stopping tonight, having a break, and they have a swimming pool. And yeah, but before we have to walk and cool. That's it. 7 kilometers. We're now on the bridge, walking over 1 kilometer more. Then we have lunch. And yeah, I'm happy when we can take a break. it's heavy to climb up. That needs a lot of energy. So better you have a good breakfast before. I'm actually pretty done. It's good that we have the break now. We eat something, drink something, and then I think we have another 6 kilometers. It's a little bit exhausting actually. But there's the group. We're making a break now. We're almost there. 15 kilometers or 16 around. That's the oasis. This time from the right side. I think over there is our hostel. And tomorrow we have to hike this way, all the way up to the top where the trees are. And that's where the bus picks us up again. So let's go down. So guys, we arrived. The last bridge for the oasis. That's extremely beautiful to see. Look at this. So okay, let's go to the oasis.